Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Desert Vista Dyeworks. I will link them below, and I have never purchased anything from them before, but I have heard a lot of people talk about them, and the latest that I heard that made me go out and look was the Naughty Nitwits. So if you guys watch them on their podcasts, you'll know who I'm talking about, but they are really cute. Michelle and Leslie, and they do self-striping yarn. Well, they don't. Desert Vista Dyeworks does. But they talk about it, and they've used it, and they love it. So let's see. Susan Haynes is the owner, it says. DesertVistaDyeworks.com. I will link it below. And every skein of Desert Vista Dyeworks yarn is dyed as it is ordered, so that you are guaranteed that the yarn you receive is dyed just for you. Hand wash yarn in cold water with a color catcher. I have never used a color catcher, and I have never gotten one, but sometimes people say that they get them in their things. I was just looking to see if there was one, but there's not. So I don't know. I don't have one. So I got the self-striping. It looks like they have different ones, self-striping, variegated, and gradient, but I got the self-striping. This is in Cinder Zombie, I guess. She does a lot of like zombie kind of themes, and from what I can tell, again, I've never used their yarn, and it's probably going to take me a little bit of time to get to this, but if it's got the zombie like little theme, it has like some different colored striping, like that are like some of the stripes are variegated, is what it looks like to me. I could be wrong, but that's from what I was looking at the website. This is beautiful. This is a sparkle sock weight. You get 408 yards. There it says 72% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 2% I can't read it, but it's whatever that stellina, the silvery stuff to make it sparkly. So I'm hoping that you guys can see this okay. And one thing that I really liked about her website, when you went and looked at the different yarn, not only did it show you the yarn like this, it also showed it to you knitted a little bit so that you could see how it was striping. So pretty. There's something, oh, that's just where there's a knot. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. And this one, oh, I already said it's in the color Cinders on Body. So this one's like Cinderella, if you think of it that way. And this one is in the color, oh goodness, I don't even know. Positano? I'll try to remember to link them below so that you guys can see, and if you guys wanted the same colorway, you could get that. But look at how pretty this is. It's beautiful pastels. There's green and white and pink. And of course it has the sparkle too. And this is a very nice sparkle. Sparkle socks. That's so silly. I know that it's silly, but I can't help it. I was like, oh, I could get sparkle. I need to get sparkle. So this is again self-striping, and it looks like it's the same. And this is the Zen. Oh, they're both Zen is the name of the yarn, I guess. So Zen is the base, the sparkle weight sock base, but then I don't even know. I can't really read her writing, and the words are different. I think it's P-O-S-I-T-A-N-O. Positano? I don't know. But that's cute. Desert Vista Dyeworks, and it has two or I guess that's not a cactus, but you know, little deserty looking greenery, and then a line with stockings hung on it, because they do I think they're all made for socks. I don't really know. I mean, you could use this for other things, of course, but it'd be really pretty, like in a little sweater for a little baby or something like that. Oh, that gives me an idea. But I'm going to make them for socks for myself, as far as I know, at least right now. That's my plan. But of course, I have a queue that's the size of North America, so I don't know when I'm going to get to them, but they are beautiful, and I am excited. So I need to get to knitting, I guess. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.